Hello, I am Pranav Mehrotra, roll number 20. I am 128. This is my third DIY assignment, and for this I have tried to simulate temperature and humidity sensor in Proteus software. And for this I have added this pin mode 13 output in the code so that I can get the output at the 13th pin of Arduino. And I've also added a piece of code in the loop function according to the question, and for which I have added different combinations of T and H and what will be the output for them, like when T is less than 15 and T is greater than 28, and all the different combinations. Now I will build my project, and now my project is compiling, and let's wait for it. Now my project is compiled successfully. Now I will move on to schematic capture to run the simulation. But before that I will edit the properties of the sensor, and I will make the relative humidity to 18% and the average temperature to 10 degrees Celsius. And now I will run the simulation to see what the output is. Now the simulation is running. Now the Arduino will wait for 2 seconds before taking the input from the sensor. Now as you can see, the LED is glowing for 1 second. Now it will again take the input after 2 seconds, and now again the LED is glowing for 1 second. Now I will stop the simulation and change the properties to see different cases. And now I will change the relative humidity to 70% and keep the temperature same. The LED should glow for 500 milliseconds now. So it will wait for 2 seconds and then take the input. And now we can see the LED is glowing for 500 milliseconds. Now moving on to my second project, I will go on VCM for AVR, Arduino, and then I will select the fourth option, the common cathode LED. And this is my second project, and this is the code given in the Proteus software. I will remove the loop code and enter the code that is required for the question, which I have written beforehand, and now I will paste it here. So this is the code, and for this the first part of my wave is on for 500 milliseconds and then off for 1000 milliseconds, and the second part of my wave is on for 250 milliseconds and off for 500 milliseconds, and similarly the third part of my wave is on for 2000 milliseconds and off for 4000 milliseconds. And I've also added the pin mode 13 output so that I can get the output at the 13th pin of the Arduino. Now I will compile the project, and now my project is compiling. And yes, my project is compiled successfully. Now I will move on to schematic capture, and now I will connect the D pin of the oscillator to the IO13 pin, and now after that I am ready to run the simulation. So now I will go and run the simulation. Now the simulation is running, and now I will change this channel to DC and this knob to 1 volt and this to 200 milliseconds. So it is now showing the second and third part. I will let it reset. Now after resetting, it will show the first part, that is on for 500 millisecond and off for 1000. So this is the first part, and second part, that is on for 250 and off for 500. And similarly the third part will be on for 2000 and off for 4000. So this is now it will show the third part. So this completes my DIY assignment. Thank you.